We are now going to start with World War One. Okay, so before starting World War One, how it all started, we will look back that before the war there were two parts. Okay, the countries, the world was divided into two parts. One is Allied nations. Okay, and the other one is Axis nations. Okay. Now, inside the Allied group, you had 24 nations, okay? And inside the Axis nations, you had 4 nations. Now, the main countries which were there in Allied nations were Britain, France, and you had, you had Britain, France, and Russia, okay? This is not there in your book, but I am doing this for your better understanding of the war. And in Axis nation, you had Germany, Italy, and Japan. Okay, you had Germany, Italy, and Japan. Now, what happened was that when the war started, okay, you all know how did the war start? It started because Austria attacked Serbia. And then the whole war started. Now what happened was when the war started, the Axis nations were very, very powerful. Okay, they proved to be very, very powerful, and the German army was able to destroy the submarine of France. They were also able to destroy many ships of the France. They were able to destroy many submarines of the France. Now what happened was, because the submarines got destroyed and because of the release of the poisonous gas from the submarines, many soldiers and many civilians એટલે common citizens જે વોરમાં નહોતા એ બધા મરી ગયા. Okay, so in short, there was lot of destruction that happened on the side of Allied nations. Now what happened, it looked at that point of time that the Axis nation will win the war. Okay, because they were proving to be very, very powerful. Now in that time, in the year 1917, in the year 1917, you had the Russian Revolution that took place. Okay, what is Russian Revolution? It's there, we'll do it later on. So when the Russian Revolution took place, Russia left the war. Okay, they said I have to leave the war because I have to take care of my country. So Russia left the war and it went. Now obviously they were already losing the war. એની ઉપરથી Russia નીકળી ગયું. Now there was a very, very important incident that happened with the Allied nations and the Axis nation. That was America. Okay. Before the war and even during the war, America was never a part of the World War One. America was not interested in the war, did not care. Bhai, whatever you want to do, you do. It's anyways happening in Europe, and America was never in Europe, right? You have another continent for America, which is called United States of America, right? America was never in war and never was interested in the war. America's ship, which was called as Lusitania, okay, was sailing. Okay, અમેરિકાની શિપ હતી લુત્સેનિયા. એ જ્યારે સેલ કરતી હતી ત્યારે ભૂલમાંથી જર્મનીને લાગ્યું કે આ અમારી એનિમીની શિપ છે. ઓકે, અને they attacked this American ship, and because they attacked the American ship, 147 Americans died. Okay, because Germany attacked Lusitania. America got very angry. Okay, they said, why the hell did you attack our ship when you killed our own people? So America goes and joins the war at the side of Allied nations. Okay, saying that badla, I am going to take back the revenge for killing my 147 Americans. Now what happened is, because America joined Allied nations, you had China, Cuba, okay, and many other nations who also joined the war with the Allied nations. Slowly what happened was Allied nations became very, very powerful, and it proved to be very strong. America started attacking with so much force that the Axis power now started losing the war which it was earlier winning. Okay, now what happened was, because many nations felt that Allied nation is winning, So you had Bulgaria, you had Austria, you had Turkey. All these people also joined the hands with allied nation. Now during all this time, okay, the Germany soon realized that bhai, now we are going to lose the war. We do not have anything in our hand because these people are proving to be very, very powerful. So what did they do is, the German leader Kaiser William abducted his position and ran away. Okay, so Germany no je leader hato Kaiser William, he left his position and he ran away. He got scared. Okay, Germany surrendered to allied nations on 11th November. So Germany surrendered, okay, on 11th November it surrendered itself completely. Okay, and signed a ceasefire treaty. Ceasefire એટલે war ને પૂરું કરવા માટે એને treaty sign કરી હતી. Okay, it signed a ceasefire treaty and the war came to an end. So this is the explanation. Okay, in general I am going to repeat it again. War started, two groups, allied nation and axis nation. Who were in allied nation? Britain, France and Russia. Who were in axis nation? Germany, Italy and Japan. In starting, Axis was very powerful and it destroyed many ships and many submarines of France, in which many soldiers and civilians died because of poisonous gas. In the year 1917, Russia left the war, saying that there was a Russian revolution happening and it needed to take care of that. Okay, during that point of time, America's ship Lusitania was sailing. America was never a part of the World War I. When the ship was sailing, Germany thought that this Lusitania ship is a enemy ship and attacks the ship, in which 147 Americans die. Americans are very angry. They join hands with allied nation. When they join hands with allied nation, you have China, Cuba and many other nations also joining the allied nation. Now allied nation becomes powerful and starts strongly attacking Germany. Earlier the Axis nation, which was winning the war, now starts to lose the war. Okay, later on you have Bulgaria, Austria, Turkey, all these people also joining the allied nations. Okay, now Germany realizes they are going to lose the war. So its leader, whose name was Kaiser William, leaves his position and runs away. And on the 11th November, you have Germany surrendering. Okay, and Axis power lost the war and they had to sign a ceasefire. Okay, and also had to sign a treaty. So this is how the World War I was fought.